Have you ever wondered if you could make real money on YouTube without ever showing your face using just AI? Or maybe you've tried, but your videos get lost in a sea of sameness and you're worried you'll never stand out. Well, today, I'm revealing the exact blueprint for building a faceless YouTube channel in 2025, leveraging the latest AI tools for scripts, voiceovers, editing, and more. By the end of this video, you'll know how to launch, grow, and monetize a channel that runs almost on autopilot. Plus, you'll learn the pitfalls that make most creators fail, and how to avoid them. Stick around because I'll share my top tips for standing out in a crowded AI landscape and a rapid-fire summary at the end to make sure you don't miss a single step. Faceless channels are exploding. In 2024, over 20% of YouTube's top-performing content was faceless, and the trend is only growing. You can protect your privacy, automate content, and tap into massive niches. Think tech, motivation, finance, storytelling, and more. With AI, you can create high-quality videos fast without expensive gear or being on camera. Choose a niche you're genuinely interested in. YouTube is a long game and passion is key. Use Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and AI tools like ChatGPT to find trending, evergreen topics. Examples: tech tutorials, productivity hacks, motivational stories, finance tips, or explainer videos. First, decide on a video format. Voiceover with stock footage, AI avatar animation, or text-based. Then, outline a content calendar for consistency. Aim to upload at least once a week. Use ChatGPT or Grok to generate engaging, original scripts. Remember to add your unique angle or insights. Don't just copy what's already out there. Pro tip: ask AI for hooks, storytelling structures, or even jokes to boost retention. Generate professional quality voiceovers with tools like ElevenLabs, Pixflow AI voiceover, or Una AI. For extra authenticity, consider mixing in your own voice or signature phrases. Use AI video editors like Invideo AI Power Director or Pipit to combine your script and voiceover with stock footage, animations, or AI avatars. Also, add subtitles with AI for accessibility and engagement. And don't forget to use royalty-free music and visuals to avoid copyright issues. Create a new Google account and set up your channel. Design your channel banner and logo with AI tools like Canva or Midjourney. Then write an SEO-optimized channel description with relevant keywords. Craft attention-grabbing titles and descriptions with keywords. Design eye-catching thumbnails using AI tools. Finally, add hashtags and links to boost discoverability. Share your videos on social media, Reddit, and niche forums. Engage with comments and use YouTube Analytics to track what works. Experiment with different video lengths and formats to maximize watch time. Once you hit YouTube's requirements, apply for monetization. Explore affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products as additional revenue streams. Content saturation. If you rely solely on AI, your videos might look and sound like everyone else's. Stand out by adding your unique insights, humor, or editing style. Copyright risks. Only use royalty-free or properly licensed visuals, music, and AI-generated assets to avoid strikes and demonetization. YouTube's authenticity policy. YouTube wants authentic, non-repetitive content. Mix AI with your own creativity, don't just mass-produce generic videos. Low retention hook viewers in the first 10 seconds with curiosity, a bold claim, or a question. Keep them engaged with dynamic visuals, questions, and value throughout. Growth takes time. Most channels fail because they stop after a few videos. Consistency and learning from analytics are key. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Let it handle the repetitive stuff, but inject your own creativity and personality. Develop a signature style, whether it's editing, music, humor, or a unique perspective. Always focus on delivering real value, solve problems, answer questions, or entertain in a way only you can. Hey everyone, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And, responding to comments is a great way to build a community. Let's recap. First, pick a niche you care about and research trending topics. Then, plan your content and use AI for scripts, voiceovers, and editing. But always add your own twist. Optimize your channel and videos for discovery. Promote your content, engage your audience, and keep learning from analytics. And remember, avoid shortcuts. Stand out with authenticity, creativity, and consistency. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe to AI Hustle, and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway or question. And if you want more step-by-step guides on using AI to build online income streams, check out our other videos linked right here. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right strategy, AI isn't just a tool, it's your ticket to building a YouTube channel that works for you while you sleep.